No longer known as the Sedona, the redesigned minivan will offer a 3.5L V6 engine and optional recliner-style second-row seats. The latest generation of Kia's minivan is finally set to land in the US, and it'll wear a new name and a new logo when it does. Say hello to the 2022 Kia Carnival, which replaces the Sedona and will be the first new Kia on our shores to wear the company's new emblem. Compared with its predecessor, the Carnival also offers a more stylish look, more power, additional cargo space, and new features. The US version of the Carnival doesn't look much different than the global model we saw several months ago. Its longer hood and chunky C-pillar attempt to give it more SUV-like proportions, but we simply see it as a good-looking van. Inside, the boxier body contributes to a few extra cubic feet of cargo space with the third row of seats folded and the second row seats removed. An 8-passenger setup is standard, with a second-row bench that has a configurable middle seat that can slide closer to the front seats or fold to become a table. Second-row captain's chairs are optional, and the top SX Prestige trim level has a special setup with power-adjustable recliner-style captain's chairs with an ottoman and special headrests. Unlike the standard setup though, these so-called VIP lounge seats are not removable. The sole powertrain is a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 290 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, and an 8-speed automatic. Unlike competitors such as the Toyota Sienna and Chrysler Pacifica, the Carnival is front-wheel drive and offers neither all-wheel drive nor a hybrid variant. Kia says the van can tow up to 3,500 pounds, matching the Sienna. The Carnival's interior looks far more upscale than the outgoing Sedonas, and the model has an interesting shade of brown leather upholstery. An 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment screen is standard, with both a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen and a digital gauge cluster screen optional. There are also available dual entertainment screens for rear passengers that have smartphone mirroring capabilities. Standard and optional family-friendly features include an intercom system, power sliding doors, and a power tailgate, a camera that offers a view of the rear passengers, and various rear seat USB ports and power outlets. Adopting a name that Kia has used on its global market minivans, the 2022 Carnival is targeting crossover shoppers even more intently than its predecessor, with bolder styling that might help it steal a few customers who might otherwise find themselves in a two-wheel drive Honda Pilot or Ford Explorer. Once in the bag, those shoppers should appreciate the van's long list of standard active safety features, spacious seating for all 3 rows, and available second-row lounge bucket seats that look like they're cribbed from a luxury coach. The cabin isn't only quieter, it's also larger than before. Kia didn't break down interior measurements specifically, but the 2022 Carnival offers 168.2 cubic feet of passenger room, relative to the outgoing Sedona's 165.8 cubes. With the flat folding third-row seat stowed and the second-row seats removed, the Carnival can haul a best-in-class 145.1 cubic feet of cargo in LX, EX, and SX form, up 3.1 over the Sedona. The cabin also looks very comfortable, particularly the SX Prestige seen here. Instead of a 3-position second-row bench, the Prestige gets a pair of power-operated, non-removable VIP lounge bucket seats with deployable leg rests, mounted slightly inboard to maximize seat width and comfort. Leather and soft-touch materials look abundant, promising good things for a segment that's known more by durable goods than by luxury. Kia hasn't yet detailed what equipment is available on which trim level, but the lineup starts off with the Carnival LX and also includes EX, SX, and SX Prestige models. Many driver assistance features are standard equipment, with more advanced systems including blind spot cameras, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera available as options. Pricing will likely start slightly higher than the current 2021 Sedona, which starts at $31,575. Kia will release more info in the coming months, as the 2022 Carnival is scheduled to go on sale in the US in the second quarter of 2021.